This is me installing n8n locally onto my system. You already know the importance of n8n, and I'm testing this first time installing into my system locally. I don't want to pay the pricing for it as of now because I'm just experimenting. So this video we are going to install n8n totally free using the command line tool. And this time we are not using the manual command line. We are going to use agentic IDE, and that is anti-gravity. Now, if you're not aware of what anti-gravity is, you can check this video out where I explain all the things about it that you should be knowing as a beginner about anti-gravity. Now, this is where I have already set up the anti-gravity n8n folder here. Now, what I'm gonna do is simply ask this to the agent that this is how I want to do it. I want to install n8n on my system using Node. Now, when I press this is what happens. The agent will be processing it and it will be asking me to run this command. And if you see these thoughts, I'm starting to ensure Node.js and npm are correctly installed. So it is just checking whether Node.js is installed or not. Now, if you're not aware of what Node.js is, you don't have to worry about it. Just run this command and it will start checking whether this is installed onto our system or not. Okay, so very simple explanation. It just check whether Node is installed or not. We found some version, so yep, Node is installed. Then it checked whether n8n is installed or not, and it found an error that no command like n8n found. So that means n8n is not installed. Now it is trying to install n8n npm install n8n-g. Now if you go onto their GitHub page, this is what you will see as a code as well. So if you see this is the actual repository on GitHub, and this is the command they have, npx n8n, to install it locally onto your system. Now, because we don't want to go on that type of thing, what we have is our agent working for us, and we'll be just running this command, and we'll see and wait for it to be processing this. So it is installing n8n, as we can see loading, and it could take up to 30 seconds. So let's wait for it. Now, with the agents into your coding environment, it had become very easy. Even if you're not very experienced in coding and all the technical stuff, you can just ask the agent, and agent does the work for you. The way we are installing n8n into our local system now. So we'll wait for it to happen. Okay, we faced into some errors here because it is Mac. We are not able to pull it up because of the access and permission errors. So these are the options we have. First is sudo, which asks for system password, and no, we don't want to proceed with this one as of now, but run without installation using npx. If you want to try it out without a global installation, you can run this. Okay, so let's do this. So we can just have this here into our terminal, and we can run this, or I can just ask the agent to do it for us. Say, let's do option 2, and we're going to do it just option 2. Let's see, it just pulls the command and we're going to run it. Perfect. So n8n is installed locally, and this is what we have now. Now as the n8n is installed, we can just simply click on this local host and we can run it here. So if you see this, so this is what I'm having as a screen here, and I can just set up my account saying this, and I'll set the password here. So things are ready here. And now they're asking us some details. So we are going to fill it up. Once you fill it out, this is what we have. Receive a free activation key for the advanced features below: lifetime, advanced debugging, execution search and tagging, and folders. So yeah, let's have the advanced key as well. And license key is your way. So yeah. Anyways, now this is what we have here. Our n8n is running on our local host, and no, we didn't pay anything for it. If you want to run onto this, now let's browse some templates in here. So I'm just gonna see what are the available templates here. You can just see, talk to your Google Sheets using GPT-5, generate AI viral videos with Veo 3, and upload to TikTok. Let's try this. So we're just going on to this, and use for free. We can just click here and import template to localhost, self-hosted instance, copy template to clipboard, and open self-hosting installation docs. So we can simply click on this one, import template on this particular localhost self-hosted instance, and it will pull it up here. on this device. We can see it's running on localhost 5678, and to set it up, it will ask us for OpenAI credential and Google Sheet credential. I'm not going to share that as of now, but this is what we have. See, our entire workflow is ready now, and this is running all locally onto our device. We didn't pay anything for this, so this is totally free. Anyways, let's build our first n8n workflow here. So this is what we have. If we go on here, start from scratch, this is how it will look like. And here I can add any step here. So these are the steps we have: triggers, app event, on schedule, webhook call, or things like that. We're going to set some triggers here, and this is like the manual trigger. And if we go here, we can see some AI action in an app, data transformation, flow, core, human review, and a bunch of AI nodes in here. So yeah, this was the basic on how you can install n8n onto your local system. I was just testing it, so I thought let's just record this so I can also share this with you guys. In the next few videos, I'll be testing n8n, and I'll be letting you know how you can get some awesome workflows using n8n. So stay tuned and subscribe if you want to learn more with me. See ya.